Welcome back to Free Beer Friday. I hope you had a great Thanksgiving. I know I did. Lots of time with the family. It was a great time. We have one last great giveaway for 2024, but first, let's talk about the people who won last month's giveaway.
Winner of the Pop Cultures Kit, Matthew F. from Katy, Texas. Winner of the Flash Brewing Kit, Mike M. from Bonsall, California. Winner of the Vodka Wine Kit, Lent K. from Anna, Texas. And winner of the Torpedo Keg, Patti M. from Pensacola, Florida. And now for this month's giveaway.
What better way to kick off 2025 than to have a free beer on us? That's right, 5 lucky brewers will win an ingredient kit each. We will pick out an awesome, highly coveted kit and send it out to you, and that's how you're gonna start off your new year right. So we've started this show a couple years ago, and the whole goal was get everyone out there brewing, have a great time, give away some free fun stuff, introduce you to new things, and we figured what better way this month than the gift of beer. And there's so many kits out there to choose from, and we have some clear winners that we're gonna choose as the kits that we're gonna give away this month, but you can go out and check out the huge variety of kits we have. So to win, go to morebeer.com/freebeerfriday and enter that monthly giveaway. Well, that's it for this show this month, this year. It was a short one this week because we're really putting all our focus and all our energy into this new warehouse. In fact, I'm going to take off the month of January and completely focus on it. I fly out next week again, and things are going well, but they need more improvement. And we're just putting all our energy into it because it's gonna serve you guys better, and it'll serve us better in the long run as well. It's a huge move to do this, and everything is physically there. Now it's just moving all the pieces into the right part of the puzzle. We're getting it, I promise. We thank you for your patience. We thank you for everything you've allowed us to do. As we get into 2025, it's our 30th anniversary, and we want to really be nailing it and really be getting it right to really be able to do more cool stuff on this show for you guys. So thank you. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas, everything you might celebrate, and we thank you from the bottom of our hearts.
Amazing. That was great.
Wow.
Well done.
Felt like Will Ferrell.